ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं दण्डातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्तमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Jai Guru. Good evening. Today I am going to conclude with my previous 3 or 4 episodes. Unfortunately, yesterday I think the YouTube people, why it has not been clearly uploaded. I also found it. Some of my disciples and students complained that YouTube is not getting uploaded properly. Anyway, yesterday I had uploaded both here directly in Facebook and my Brahmananda Saraswati Parivar. You people can, whoever is interested, you people can see it in where I had given the rest 4 acharas. And finally, I told you that Kaulachara is the best. I am not telling, Kularnav Tantra is telling it. কালকে কুলাচার নিয়ে আমি শেষ বলেছিলাম কুলাচার হচ্ছে সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ আচার, যেটা অধুনা কালে শ্রেষ্ঠ রূপে পরিগণিত হয়ে ভারতবর্ষের বিভিন্ন সাধক মার্গে এই কুলাচারকে শ্রেষ্ঠত্বের স্বীকৃতি দেওয়া হয়েছে। এবং কুলার্ণব তন্ত্র যেটা বলছে কোলাত পরতরং নাহি। তো কুলাচার সম্পর্কে কিছু আরও বিস্তৃতভাবে বলার বা জানার দরকার আছে। যখন আমি তো বলেছি যে শিব এবং শক্তির এই যে মহতি কুল, এই ডাইনাস্টি that has been initiated from the Shiv and Shakti, ये जहाँ से पैदा हुआ वो है शिव शक्ति की सामरस्य से, शिव शक्ति की संयोग से। और ये जो संयोग की साधना, इस योग की साधना की शुरुआत जो हुई थी, ये इस कुल का रक्षा करने के लिए, टू सेव दिस डायनेस्टी एंड डायनेस्टिकल फॉर्मेशन एंड टू सेव दी ट्रेजर ऑफ नॉलेज एंड विजडम। ये जो জ্ঞান, যে পরম্পরা, যে মহান জ্ঞান আমরা পেয়েছি, সেই জ্ঞানটাকে পরম্পরাগতভাবে রক্ষার জন্য কুল অর্থাৎ বংশটাই এবং বংশ পরম্পরা রক্ষা করাটাই সাধকদের মধ্যে সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ বলে বিবেচিত হয়েছিল। আর তাই সেখান থেকেই এই কৌলাচারের সৃষ্টি। কুলাচার, কৌলাচার, কুল ধর্ম সবই সমার্থক। অল দিস আর synonyms: kulachar, kaulachar, kuladharma. Now, sarvebha uttama veda, vedebho vaishnavang mahat, vaishnavad uttama shaiva, shaivad uttamam shaivad dakshinam uttamam, dakshinam uttamam bhamam, bhamad uttamam bhamad siddhantam uttamam, siddhantam uttamam kolat paratarang nahi. So, Kularnav Tantra has told it that there is no better way than Kulachar, and in Kali Yuga it is the best way. It is the best way to follow. It's clear that who is a Kula, who is Kul. Kul Dharma, there is no specific rigorous bindings or strictness of the sadhaka. The Kul sadhak, in its definition, the definition of Kolavali Nirnaya Tantra, it has been clearly stated that Anta Shakta Vahi Shaiva Sabhayang Vaishnavamata Nana Rupa Dhare Kola Bicharanti Mahitale. That means in heart, a Kola sadhak is Shakti sadhak. He will contain power, energy, spirit in his heart. Bahishaiva, in his external attires, he will be like Shiva. There is no specific dress code, no specific tip top or such attire, such beautiful aesthetic, nothing else. It's a simple attires that Shiv loves and stay in Shamshan, Mashan, wherever he can stay, wherever he will stay, he will make it like his own home. He will be at home, Ekola Sadhak. And Savhayang Vaishnava Mata, where there is a gatherings, there he will not go to any dispute. He will not make any sort of debatory comments or something like that. He will tell every side, both sides he will tell, yeah, you are right, both are right. And he will not try to establish his own supremacy there. Okay? That's the style of Kola. Yeah? Nana Rupa Dhare Kola Bicharanti Mahitale. And Kola have no specific roop, no specific formation. Now the thing is that the Kola Dharma, it is 5th century AD. Before that, there were many such feelings, and when we are taking the name of Christ, it is said that there are some scriptures that says Christ also did have his sadhana in Kashmir, and from there he became siddha in some sort of parakaya. Parakaya, we shall discuss it later. Parakaya means one time it will be seemed that he is dead, and then he will take another body as his container, as his, and after that he will again get alive. It seems that he is dead, and after that it becomes alive. That is the resurrection which Christ has been able to accomplish at the time of resurrection after his crucifixion. यीशु ख्रिस्ट के क्रूसिफिकेशन करने के बाद भी यीशु ख्रिस्ट ने जागृत हो चुके थे. तो ये हमारे भारत की योग की एक परंपरा है, और योगिक परंपरा से ये साधित है. और योग के बाद फाइनली जो कोलाचार आई है, ये कोलाचार 5th सेंचुरी एडी में ख्रिस्ट जन्म की 5वीं शतक की, it has been started in Kashmir. That Kashmir, which was the center epitome of all learnings of Indian Oriental heritage, Indian Oriental ancient heritage, ancient knowledge. There was Sharda Pit, and that had been initiated by Machendranath. It said that Machendranath was the great grandson of Trambak. And Machendranath, which Machendranath, there may be many such dispute or debates. We shall not go into that. But this Kolachar has been started from there. And in Kola Dharma, it's clear that to follow the Kul, we have to go through the Tantric cult of Panchatattva, both in blunt way, both in exposed way, and also in Sukshma way. Sukshma means in replica, through some replica and through some internal feelings. Panchatattva means, Pancha तत्व की आधार जो है, ये है पंचतत्व मध्य मांस मदिरा मुद्रा मैथुन. मध्य मांस मदिरा मुद्रा मैथुन, ये जो मध्य मांस मुद्रा, मध्य मांस मत्स्य मुद्रा मैथुन, मध्य मांस मत्स्य मुद्रा मैथुन. Madhya means wine, Mangsa means meat, Matsya means fish, and Mudra means some sort of snacks or something like that. And Maithun is the intercourse. Now, this 5 is exposed way, in some exposed way, it is admitted to some class of the Kolacharis, and some class follow it in the sthul way, in the blunt way, in the exposed way, and some use it in very tacit way. In tacit way, they feel it themselves within themselves. And this is the Shuksh Panchatattva and Sthul Panchatattva. That is another difference. But this Kolachar and Kula Dharma, this Kolachar and Kula Dharma is being followed by the Tantric gurus, Tantric sadhakas for the prolonged time, for the prolonged era. In this Kali Yuga, Kaulachar is the latest structure that has been established as the most important and eminent form of sadhana, and Kaulachari, the Kaulachari people can get all sort of bhog, moksha and everything in this world, and he can empower the disciple and the other people too in the way of sadhana. This is the ways of Kaulachari sadhana. Me also is a Kaulachari, and I am proud of that. Thank you very much. Jai Ma.